Check 12:30. Nakatapos lang ng concert. I mean, tapos na siya kanina pero kakaalis lang namin. Naghanap ako ng gunting, guys. Nakabalik na kami dito sa apartment. Ay, kapareho ng ating ano. Ganda ng place na to. Simple lang ng mga apartment dito. Daddy Marky. Yung skirt ko ginawa kong ano.
Yeah.
That's our view. Nakakatakot naman, love. Ang liit lang kasi ng veranda, guys. Yan lang siya, oh. Morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Mag-swimming kami ni Daddy sa spa. Not swimming. We're gonna do the spa. Amanda will not join us because she's still sleeping. Hindi masyadong sunny this morning. Maulap siya, guys. So, yan yung address. And we are in the 14th floor. This is the highest level. How'd you know? Here. Bet. Okay. Sana kami lang nandito. Wow, the slow ones here.
We gotta gym first.
Here.
We have a workout first.
Punta tayo sa gym before tayo mag-swimming.
Do some weights.
Welcome to our gym.
His bike.
Yeah. Mag-bike tayo, guys. Ooh, 20 minutes. No, select program, babe. It's not gonna start.
Pardon?
It's not gonna start.
How come?
Select. Manual. Sorry guys, first time ko lang magganito. Start. Burn tayo ng ating calories.
This is pretty on the pill already.
There's Daddy. Three calories pa lang yung nabuburn natin, guys. 18 minutes and 34. Sorry?
Oh, yeah.
Put the level. How fast? So, pinalitan ko yung option kanina. Or naka-stop kasi ako. Na-stop ako kaya ako napalitan. Nag-stop siya. Tapos namili ulit ako. Si Daddy Marky naman nag-CR. Kakabalik niya lang. Naka 1.5 distance na tayo, guys. Tapos 16 kilometers. Yung heart rate natin is 69. Ang saya din. Nagpapawis na ako. Wala kaming balak mag-gym. Pero sabi ni Daddy Marky, mag-gym muna tayo bago tayo mag-swimming. Actually, ikaw, mahal. Oy, 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 Marky! Love! How are you gonna stop that? Oh my gosh. Gusto namin bumili ng ano namin, equipment para sa bahay. Swimming na kami, guys, after my 3.5 kilometers. Pagod. Lapit na. Come on. Titasan ko yung level nyo. Whew. I thought we're going.
Here we are.
Ay, yung sunblock ko! So good. Here, mahal. Here's my phone. Papawis na ako. Daddy Marky, video na ako sa phone niya. 3.8, mahal ko. 43 calories.
Look at those muscles, ladies and gentlemen. Work it. Work it like you haven't worked it before.
What muscle? Oh, legs.
And here we are. Work it. Go harder.
4 kilometers.
That's it. Sweat it. Sweat it out. Work it.
Shins. I'm tired. 4K. Sarap pala magganito, no? Goal natin makabili ng gym equipment natin sa bahay. Si Amanda gusto niya rin kasi mag-gym. Walking distance lang ang gym sa bahay.
Oh, definitely time for swimming.
I know. Let's go. Thank you, machine, for letting me do my exercise. Oh, mahal ko. My legs are shaking. Ayan, mag-swimming lang kami ni Daddy. Babad muna kami dito sa spa. Oh, ang init lang. It's not working. Oh, hindi siya nagbabubbles. But yesterday, it's working. Ayaw kong basain yung nails ko kasi mainit. Mainit yung tubig.
Should I press it again?
Huh. Ang lamig kasi ng pool. Ah, yeah, it's working.
It is.
Some part. I can feel it. There's crocodile. There's crocodile. Nasa pool si Daddy. Dito naman tayo sa spa. Ang hangin kasi, tas malamig doon. Eh, dito sa spa, kahit hindi siya gumagana, mainit pa rin. Sarap magbabad. Check out time namin is 10 o'clock. So, sakto lang 9 na. Magna 9. Makulimlim. Super cloudy. 9:01 and we're back in the room. It's 10 o'clock. It's time to go. Thank you, apartment, for having us for one night. One night lang kami nag-stay. It's so quick. Like, we didn't stay long. We just sleep. And we didn't sleep long. We went to bed like 2 o'clock.
You can sleep on the way back.
Uminom pa kami ni Marky. Pinainom niya ako ng 2 can ng CC and then, oh my gosh.
We can buy a fruit.
Daddy Marky is looking for car park. And then, there's
He falls into a market.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, ay,
Kasi
ay.
ito, it's Sunday. Sunday market here in New Farm.
This is where we can.
Yay! Yay! The good thing is, dinala ko yung mga hat namin. We're prepared, guys. Hello! Daan tayo dito sa park. Agbay. Tignan nyo yung puno na yan, o parang puno ng siniguelas, no? Sana siniguelas, kuha ka agad ng puno. Mark! 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 Dito na kami sa loob. Food, and everything. Pangalawang time ko na makapunta dito sa market nila. Si Amanda first time. Pero sa park, second time na ni Amanda.
Huh? Market lang.
Dito. So, ayan yung in-order nating food. Mushroom and feta, spinach. Tapos si Amanda nag-order ng chicken karage. Si Daddy Marky nag-order ng German sausage. Ayan silang dalawa. Oh. Let me see your food. Yum! That is food. Yummy! We're on the way home. Happy first day of February! Amanda's birth month. Ating lipstick ay nabura. Hello everyone! Time check, it's 3:52 and Daddy Marky is going to the barbershop. Mapagupit na siya, guys. Love.
Oh, magandang hapon.
Ay, hapon.
Kumusta?
Mabuti. Yun na yung long hair niya. Ayan, humiwalay na kami kay Daddy Marky. Hindi na ako sumama sa kanya magpagupit. Tignan natin, mamaya yung result. Dito lang kami sa plaza ni Amanda. Ay, gusto siyang tignan na dress para sa kanyang birthday celebration. Ano yun? Phone niya. Punta siya ng Ballet Girl. Half price, guys. Maganda. So, may nakita kami sa tagpa $5 na rack. Mga sando lang, sando. So, yan yung rack ng mga sale. Yung dress na nakita ko last time, naka-sale na siya. Pero wala nang size. Down to $35. $70 to, guys. Sayang. Ganda pa niya ng haba. Cute niya, nasa harap. Ibang tao pala yung naunan. Where are you going? Oh my God! Oh, you're so cute!
You look like Kuya Jack.
I love it.
You're weird.
Tinaguan namin siya. Hey, your dry hair is gone! Mister ka, nagpagupit, oh. Dito kami sa Maroochydore after ng plaza.
Session W.
Ang daming tao. O, para din siyang Sunday market, ganun. Pero more on foodangs. Daming. So that's the name. Daming tao, guys. Diyan nagpagupit si Daddy Marky. Stallion Barbers. So dyan yung venue, guys. Pero uwi na kami. 5:42. Tama na ang gala. Ay na, kakarating namin ng bahay. Tignan nyo. Kaka-check ko. Oh, ay, ang laki. Tinitira talaga nila ang giant photos. Maano kasi ang dahon. Ay, putik! Ah! Hawakan ko pa. Ay, putik! Ang laki. Love!
Sa'yo. Naghihingalo na yung isa dito.
Naghihingalo.
Nakasabit kasi siya.
Gimnas na ito.
Nahulog na siya. Ano siya, oh?
Ang ating Myrtle ay masama ang pakiramdam. Oh. Myrtle. We love you, babies. Love you, Myrtle.